Here is one of those solar garden lampy things. It has a solar panel on the top and a battery and an LED and a switch here. On the bottom you can turn it on and blah blah blah. So this works basically, I think everybody knows, when the solar panel doesn't get enough light, then it turns on the LED because it assumes that it's dark out and light should come on. So most of these are shipped with a crap battery already. So this one, if I remember correctly, I got 3 of them, and 2 of the 3 barely lasted like 2 hours after sunset, and then they turned off. And the other one out of the 3 is still like good 6 hours. It can last good 6 hours into the night. And yeah, that one probably has a good battery, but this one is already rusted and maybe spilled. I don't know. So I'm going to replace it. Here's another crappy product that I'm going to steal the battery from. This is a 9-volt battery and the top 2 cells are crap. I don't know how they package these, but the top 2 cells are crap and the other ones are perfectly fine. So this is also not usable as is. I'm just going to chop off one of the cells and put it in here because yeah, these 5 cells are fine and hopefully they will continue to serve a purpose. This battery was $5 for this. So basically $1 for every battery. That's quite expensive if you compare it to this one. This is $1 usually, and it includes a battery and some electronics and the solar panel and stuff. So yeah, this is a much more expensive battery, but it's also a lot bigger. So when these are fully charged, I expect it to last for a long time. Like maybe after a month, if there's not enough sunshine, then it will turn off. I don't know. We'll have to try it out. So let's get let me just show you the battery status here on this crappy crap. Ooh, yeah, 0.6, or it goes up to 0.7. I don't know. Wait, 0.9. Then maybe this actually works with a reduced capacity, but it's not completely dead yet. So yeah, maybe I'll use it for something else. So let's remove it then. Oh, let me show you the good cell here. This one, for example, on the top, 1.3. That's how far this is charged in this configuration. If you multiply it by 7, then it's 9 point, I don't know how much voltage, 9.4. That's all this should be. It shouldn't be higher. So yeah, 1.3. I don't know if it will be appropriate, but yeah, this tiny little charger, solar charger, shouldn't destroy any battery on this world because it's so tiny and so weak that no way, it's not going to ruin any battery, in my opinion. So let's cut this off with a scissor type thing. Oops, it jumped. Why did it jump? Caught it. Okay, here it is. So let's remove the circuit board from this little doohickey. Where's the screw? There's the screw. It's also rusted probably, but it doesn't matter. Oh, this switch is in an interesting position here, but it doesn't matter. Okay, so I have to desolder these two leads maybe, or cut them, desolder them. Let's try desoldering. So yeah, let's put a finger under it and pry it up or something. Oh, let's start with the other side, this side. Oops, it's out. Oh boy, it's rusted. Rusted on the bottom, oh boy. I have to put some hot glue on this to protect it. So yeah, like that. And then, oh, I need some wires probably. Let's see what kind of wires. Wires. Okay. Some hard wires maybe. Where can I get those? UTP wires. Oh, here's a piece. I don't need more. Just a tiny little piece. Let's clean the end. I mean strip. Ah! It pulled away the insulation. Oh boy. Let's push it back. Like that. Put solder on it. And put it into the circuit board. I mean solder it on. Come on. Yep, got some solder now. And this will be probably the positive. Let's put it like in the old days. Just solder it on this side. Don't put it through the board. That always creates a weird situation. And only the tip of the wire gets soldered, and yeah, I think this is a better solution. Yep. This is one. Oh, let's turn this off. Does it matter? I don't know. Like that. Take another piece of wire. Strip it. Cut it. Ow! That was my finger. Oh. Why am I not using proper tools here? I don't know why. I just cut my... Okay. Some disinfectant. Yeah, that was stupid. I cut into my skin. Okay. So, yeah. Where's the wire? Here's the wire. Strip it. And let's put it on the other side, on the negative. Yeah, the negative. Come on. Like that. Okay. And let's connect it to the battery. Now if I turn it on and the solar panel doesn't get any light, then this should turn on the LED. So the positive to the positive, like that. Okay, it works. Come on. Yeah, okay. Once soldered, it will be perfect. Okay, so let's solder it to this end, like that. I have to be very careful not to burn anything. Ah! The battery is turning. Why? Come on, battery. Okay, I think I got it. Ah! I didn't. Maybe I need some cleaning paste, or what do you call it? This thing. Because it wasn't soldered before, just welded. So yeah, let's see now that it's cleaned. Put some more paste. Or what do you call this? I don't know what it's called. The thing that cleans the surfaces. It's not working. What? Then they used the wrong material here. Why? Why would anyone use the wrong material? That's usually good for welding and soldering. That's interesting. Am I going to overheat the battery now? But this is important. I need to be able to solder it. How did they mess this up? Oh boy. Nope. It doesn't want to be soldered. That's a bummer. Let's try the other side. Like that. Can it make a difference? They use the crappy material here. This is bad. Oh, it's starting to... Okay, so if you're interested in soldering like a noob, then watch this video. This is stupid. We already verified that it's working, so... Oh, maybe my tip is gone. Yeah, that's a bad thing. But I'm not going to change it now, I think. Should I change it? Yeah, I change it. This video is already too long, so it doesn't matter. I put in a new tip, and yeah. So the only question now is if it will last, because it's not in the sunlight directly, it's kind of in the shade, but it should get sufficient energy. I mean, the other lamp, 1 out of 3 is working, so should be fine. So let's see. Oh boy, oh boy. I wasn't prepared for this, for the stupid... Yeah. I need to unscrew 2 screws, put in a fresh tip. Hopefully not press the button while I'm holding it. That should be obvious to anyone, but I sometimes do it and burn my finger. Yeah, that happens to the pros too. Okay, put it in. I'm not showing it, but yeah, trust me, I'm putting it in. Oh boy. Tightening the screws. Not over tighten, just tighten. Okay, it's done. And make the tip small and then check if it moves. Okay, now it's ready. Kind of a stupid shape, but let's try again. Let's put some paste on it also. Nope, same reaction. That just sucks. That really sucks. Then I can probably solder onto the tip of the battery. but that's not really practical. Maybe I overheat it. That's not a very good thing. Let's clean the tip. Better safe than sorry. Okay, I cleaned it. Fresh solder. Come on. So let's, which one? The positive should go there. Then there's a little bit, maybe I can pull this off. No, it's soldered. I mean welded. But I should be able to pull it off. It's not worth it. Just solder there on the side. I mean, where? There. Did it work? Yeah. I may have ruined the battery, but the solder is sticking at least. Yeah, this is the shittiest job I ever done with the battery, and it's heated up. Yeah, I think it's done. I need a new battery. Let's see the voltage. I may have ruined it. So the voltage is, come on, 1.3. So it, I didn't kill it. That's good. Now let's try to kill it from the other side. But here it's a much bigger surface, so maybe I don't kill it. Yeah, put some paste there also. And try soldering like there. Yeah, like that, or it will come off. Nope, it's staying. Okay. And it's working. So yeah, now all I have to do, let's see if it works, if I turn it. Yeah. All I have to do is put hot glue on everything so it doesn't get wet anymore, and yeah, I think I fixed it.